Alright guys, I need scouts to move out as quickly as possible. Make sure you guys set up the perimeter. Go.
Alright. Push back, push back. Hey, right here, right here. One down. He's in the back tree line. Give me cover fire. I'm gonna push to the right. Yeah. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 15, 16, 20, 22. Alright, come on. Hey. Hey, one. Stay to hit. Ah, hit again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Huh? There's one in the village. Alright. We're gonna push that way. We're gonna push. Wait, fall back. Stay in line with this. No, because they're at LMG right here. Alright. Hey. We're pushing to our right. Come on. Hit! Game 1, respawn 1. Hold fire. Hey. Alright. All along that wood line right there. They may align. Me and you, we're gonna flank around, come from their behind, alright? So this way? Yeah, we're going that way and cutting around, alright? Alright. We're gonna try to flank around. We're gonna flank around, alright? Hold me. Alright, let's go. Come with us with. Nope.
There's a plywood door. There's a dude shooting out of it from the fort.
So right there, we're gonna flank around. Alright, we're gonna go to that concealment. Go. Over there. Over there. Where? That side of the road.
That's all that.
We're gonna push over there and go behind, alright?
You can't go in the village, yeah? The village is out of.
I know.
Alright. Careful, you're gonna get shot from around the corner. Fall up in there.
go. Alright, cover me, guys. I'm going to push around. Get him. 2 people on me. Let's go. 2 people. I don't care. Come with me. Austin, come on. You 2 hold, give us fire. Cover, whatever. Oh, my bad. Yep.
They have an LMG on the right side.
Yeah, I know. That dude barely got me. He freaking nicked my GoPro.
Dude, that's what happened to me. He nicked my GoPro when I was behind that old plank.